Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to Ula Trending Mzansi. Bathandi bomgosi Aisha ziyabuya emendweni. So ever since the news broke up about Nozipho Ntshangase's husband wanting to take a second wife and how it was in their household, Bathandi bomgosi, from the kids begging their father not to leave, even the house help was on her knees, Bathandi bomgosi, begging that man not to leave his family for the second wife. Nothing stopped him. He went ahead and married the love of his life, Bathandi bomgosi. So it looks like now they're having their second celebration, Bathandi bomgosi, because I asked around, kuthi kahle kahle, ngale KwaZulu, how many celebrations must a couple have? And others, they stated that an estimated number of 3. Woo! Imali engaka kodwa. So Bathandi bomgosi, they were having their second celebration, Bathandi bomgosi, and it looks like the kids attended the wedding. What a plot, a twist, Bathandi bomgosi. We were not expecting that at all. People are saying that probably those kids, they were influenced by uNozipho because she has bandla a good heart. Probably hambano attenda umshado kababu wenu weingane nje ninga inherit hate or beef. Hayibo, the kids, especially uKhokho, was seen having a chat with the second wife. It looks like mhlampe the issues have been resolved in the house. Hayi bandla, we were not expecting this. But sizawuthini ezomndeni zimosha umndeni zibuye futhi zilungiswe wuyo umndeni. Wow. And they were looking beautiful and happy at the celebration. Bathandi bomgosi, she further allegedly, Bathandi bomgosi, spoke out about the whole incident after months and months of not speaking out. Ukuthi no one forced her to marry the husband. Matter of fact, she married the husband because she is in love. Even though she's going to be the stepmother of 8 kids, it doesn't matter because at the end of the day, love always wins. But the fact that the kids attended the wedding, woo, sana, we were not expecting that. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.